Hi there.
Hi there, how can I help?
How are you doing?
Hello, I'm Jarvis, the network talker. How can I help you?
What can you do for me?
I can provide my services to show insights into your current network.
What can you do in future?
I have noted and I will inform my master about your context.
What else can you do in future?
With machine learning modeling combined with networks, I can predict network performance, alarms, port status. All depends on training I am getting from you.
Show me the list of devices.
Here is the list of devices currently deployed in network.
Any alarms on the network?
As I see, following the list of alarms.
Show me the audit logs.
I found these audit logs.
How many number of alarms?
Here is number of alarms currently present in network.
Can you show me connection summary?
Here is the device connection summary report.
List the number of reboots happened in the network.
Following is the number of reboots I recon.
Is all devices are fine?
Here is the current status of devices in network.
Show me SDN controller details. Can you show me the connection details?
These are details I got for your server.
Show me the latest events.
Here are the last 100 events occurred. This takes time to respond. Hang tight.
Okay, that was fun. Bye.
Happy to help.
Okay, goodbye.